Hello guys, welcome today to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to do these protective locks yarn artificials. So I'll be making first the inner ones in the inner single strands, and then from there I'm gonna use a crochet to crochet it, and then I'll be locking it using Afro Kinky. So Afro Kinky makes it good. You can either use Afro Kinky or Fluffy Kinky or a Kinky bulk. It will depend with what you have or what you like here or what your client came with. Okay, so you're gonna do these singles from inside. It doesn't matter the way you fix them, as far as it's this way, no problem. You can use either molding gel to make the hair to be neat, or you can just part it without molding gel. It depends how you like it. So let's finish making the inner ones first, and then we will be using the crochet, just normal crochet to crochet, and then from there we're gonna do something. Okay, so let's watch. I'll be showing you in a few how to go about it. Okay, don't make them to be so tight from the scalp, so that when you do crochet you don't have to pull. Just simple as it is. And so I have my hair, and I'll be having my crochet. So I'll be doing the crocheting to fit in the braid first, which is extension, and this is how it goes. So I'll be doing to the 3 samples here how to lay down your crochet. And step away, you do like this, and then you add the hair, you close the loop, and then you pull. You have to pull it in a way that you don't pull client's hair, because it's very painful if you pull the hair with a crochet. So let's continue doing this thing. This method is better not to be pulling too much. So let me show you how to lock it, because the hair I'm using is a bit short. So I'll be showing you how to lock it so that it won't run or maybe slide. This is how we're gonna do it. Hold it that way, and then this hair that I'm holding aside, this one, I'll be wrapping it down like that. So I'm gonna wrap it that way. So I'll continue wrapping, or maybe locking that way. And then I have to move just a little bit to hold it aside, and then I have to continue locking that way, and then I have to take the hair back to its strand that way, and then I continue locking. So even as I add, I'll be doing the same method. For example, here you have to add. That's how I'm gonna add it, and then you have to lock again, and then you have to part another strand of hair again this way. You put it aside. You can hold with the down fingers, baby finger there, and then you can also join together, and then you add another strand that way, and then you continue locking. also part another one. Yeah, in that manner, and then you continue locking. So you'll be going like that as you lock. Yeah, this method helps you when you're making these locks not to slide, as in when the client is styling them, maybe if you're leaving them hanging, because my client will be leaving them hanging, so it will help not to slide and then the hair to look shaggy or maybe to get spoiled that quick. Yeah, the method of locking is very, very good. So guys, I'm hoping that you're going to try this method because it's good. Yeah, it's very, very nice. So we're gonna do like that until end, and we will be putting a knot at the end. This is how it goes. Just split a little bit and then wrap it around like once or twice, and then around the finger, and then loop it inside and then lock that way. So you can cut that locking part if you want, and then you burn it, or you put a rubber band. Maybe rubber band would be that good. Yeah, you can put maybe these clips, these metal clips. Yeah, they're also good. So that's how it looks. So let's do the last one here. So wrapping, we start the same way down there, and that's how we did the whole head. Yeah, so guys, I really appreciate for your coming, for your watching Joyce Arts, supporting Joyce Arts. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. And I'm hoping that you're gonna learn something. And then, yeah, you will try to do something also. Okay, guys? So, my dear, I have now to be going. So, thank you so much. God bless you. Till we meet next time. Bye bye. Remember to learn something.